Namo Buddhaya. Dear friends, upon the request of Vijja-Carana friends, I thought it is important to share two meaningful thoughts on current pandemic, the COVID-19. Today, many countries are facing second or third wave of COVID-19 infections. In my previous talk under Collecting Stars from the Dark Sky series, I have shared on how to stay positive amidst the gloom that COVID-19 brings. Today, I am going to explain how to protect oneself as well as others from COVID-19 by following one of the 9 great qualities of the Buddha. Friends, it is true that the recitation of the Buddha Vandana, protective discourses, protective verses will help us to face difficult situations. There are no doubt on it. In the Vijjā-Carana Sutta, the Buddha asks his disciples to contemplate on noble qualities of the Buddha to overcome fear, terror and hairstandings. As you can see here, recitation of the noble qualities of the Buddha will help us to overcome mental afflictions and remain calm and aware when we encounter fearful situations. Similarly, to overcome the spread of COVID-19 and to gain physical protection, we can follow and practice the third noble quality of the Buddha among his 9 great qualities. That is Vijja-Carana, perfect knowledge and perfect conduct. Within the context of COVID-19, we need to be educated with correct knowledge of minimizing social gatherings, wearing masks before going out, washing our hands and observing good personal hygiene and many other possible ways. This includes under Vijja, the perfect knowledge part. However, knowledge alone is not enough. We have to add correct conduct, the practice part, that is Carana, to that knowledge in our daily activities. With the verbal recitation, we gain physical, we gain psychological or the mental comfort, and following Vijja-Carana, perfect knowledge and perfect conduct, we gain physical protection. In this manner, we can prevent the spread of COVID-19. And here is a gentle reminder for all of you: when you take preventive measures, be environmentally friendly and opt for more sustainable solutions. For example, try to minimize the use of disposable surgical masks and instead encourage and gently remind your friends, family members and loved ones to use reusable masks and less plastic sanitizer containers. So one day when we able to defeat COVID-19, we won't be regret on the action that we took in order to prevent COVID-19. Sabbe satta bhavantu sukhitatta. May all beings be well and happy.